Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download images from GetStencils. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. Log in using your credentials. Ensure you have finished designing your image or post in the GetStencil editor. Make sure all elements like text, images, icon are placed and styled to your satisfaction. Save your design before downloading. Make sure your design is saved. You can do it by clicking on the Save button. Here you can see the progress for saving it. Once the tick mark is done, your design has been saved. Now click on Download button, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Choose the preferred file format. PNG is recommended for image with transparency or high quality. JPG is the standard quality for a small file size. You can also choose the dimension, media size and the compression from here. After selecting the format, your design will be downloading to your computer. Click on Start Download button. Click on the pop-up from here and you can see your design on your desktop. Once the image is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder to access your file. Use the image as needed for social media, blogs, email marketing, and others. So that is how you can download images from GetStencils. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.